portion I will talk about cropping pattern, methods of delineating crop combination regions, weaver doi raifulla, and also crop diversification. So if this is beneficial for you, please like, subscribe and share our video. We're starting from three concepts: cropping pattern, crop concentration and crop combination. These are very confusing term and NT हमेशा हम लोगों को confuse कर देता है इन तीनों term को लेकर. So be careful and clearly understand this concept. First one is cropping pattern. Cropping pattern refers to proportion of area under different crops at a given point of time. It means when different crops are cultivated in a single land at a given point of time, then proportion of area under each crop is calculated, which is called cropping pattern. Whereas crop concentration means when a single crop is cultivated in a land and it varies with different density from area to area at a given point of time. This is called crop concentration. It means variation in density of any crop. Okay. It does not refer to the proportion of area under different crops. It means variation in density of any crop. What is crop combination? Crop combination is the process of cultivating multiple crops in the same field. So, coming to the next slide. So, we have discussed about the crop combination, which means multiple crop cultivation in a single land. But there are some dominance of certain crops in a single land. And how to delineate it? So we have to understand the delineation process of crop combination region. J.C. Weaver was the first person who postulated the crop combination model in the book Crop Combination in the Middle East. This formula was given by J.C. Weaver, that is summation d square by n, where d is equal to deviated value from theoretical value to actual value and n is equal to number of crops. So what is theoretical value? We have to clearly understand it. Suppose we have a certain amount of land and only one crop is cultivating in total land. So 100% of land area has been used. This is called monoculture. If two crops are cultivated in 100% area, then 50% area, then each crop having 50% area. In the case of three crop combination, 33.3% area is using for each crops. Samely, in the case of 4 crop, 25% of area is using for each crops, and in the 5 crop, 20% of area is using for each crops. So these are the theoretical value of different crop combination. Okay. So coming to the next slide. So in previous slide we have shown all the theoretical values of different crop combination, but these are not absolute value. These are theoretical value. In reality, this theoretical value don't exist. For example, in a cultivated land, rice comprises 48% area, wheat 23%, sugarcane 15%, etc. So this value are not maintaining the theoretical value of previous slide, right? So we have to calculate the deviated value from theoretical value. Okay, so difference between theoretical value and actual value, we have to calculate this. In the equation summation d square by n that was given by Weaver, in this equation d is equal to the difference between theoretical value and actual value, and we have to calculate it. Firstly, in monoculture, the theoretical value was 100, right? And in the case of absolute value is 48%. So we have to subtract 48 from 100 and then divide it by number of crops. In this case, the number of crops is 1 because it is monoculture. Okay, so this is the value. But it is not possible to be a monoculture region because 100% area is not used for any crops. In the case of 3 crop combination, if we see, so here the theoretical value was 33.3, right? So here we have to take into account 3 crops, rice, wheat and sugarcane. Because of it is 3 crop combination. So we have to subtract samely 40 from theoretical value. Like 33.3 minus 48 whole square, 33.3 minus 23 whole square plus 33.3 minus 15 whole square divided by 3. Here summation करना पड़ रहा है because the equation is summation d square. So 3 crop combination का result है 216. ऐसे तरह से 4 crop 5 crop combination हम करेंगे. और यहाँ पे जो maximize जो amount है 366.5. So it is clear that the area is 2 crop combination area. It means rice wheat combination area. So this is the basic theory and very important theory given by Weaver. Next, coming to the another delineation process of crop combination region that was given by Doi. This is the formula that was given by Doi. Doi actually modified the Weaver's formula and it does not require any deviation value between actual and theoretical percentage for each combination that we have done in Weaver's method, right? Here the crop combination is actually established by one sheet table. What is one sheet table? I will talk about in next slide. So this is one sheet table that was developed by Doi. Here crops are ranked according to the percentage of total crop area. These are the percentage of area under each crops. And here the cumulative percentage has to be done. According to Doi, all those crops are included in the combination whose cumulative percentage is less than 50. So here the first crop wheat occupies 43% and the next is automatically included to make the percentage above 50%. 43 or 23. Total 66%. This is higher than 50%. But according to Doi, all those crops are only included whose cumulative percentage is less than 50. So it can be said that in this region, nearly monoculture type cultivation is occurred. Because only one crop occupies 43% of cultivated area. So next, coming to this delineation process given by Raifullah. Raifullah introduced a maximum positive deviation method. Maximum positive deviation method for delineating crop combination region, which is quite complex rather than Weaver and Doi. But for NET exam, it is very important question to ask that who postulated maximum positive deviation method. Here this formula is also equally important. That has been frequently asked in previous year questions. Here d is equal to deviation, dp positive difference from median value, dn negative difference from median value. So this is the another process of delineation crop combination given by Raifullah. Here we have to calculate the maximum positive deviation. So यहाँ पे actual value से theoretical value को minus करना होगा. In the case of monoculture हम एक्चुअल वैल्यू लेते हैं 54 और मोनोकल्चर का थियोरिटिकल वैल्यू 100 होता है, पर हम यहाँ पे 50 लेंगे. अगर 100 ले तो यहाँ पे जो आंसर आएगी वो माइनस पे आ जाएगी. तो हम यहाँ पे 54 माइनस 50, इसका मतलब 2 क्रॉप कॉम्बिनेशन का थियोरिटिकल वैल्यू से हम माइनस कर देते हैं. 2 क्रॉप कॉम्बिनेशन का क्षेत्र में क्या होगा? In the case of 2 crop combination, first we taken 2 crops, rice and wheat. Actual value rice का 54, 54 minus 25, 25 means the theoretical value, minus 23 wheat का value, actual value 23 minus 25. ऐसी तरह से अरेंज करना पड़ेगा कि positive difference d square p according to formula d square p, positive difference minus negative difference. यहाँ पे वही हो रहा है, positive difference minus negative difference. So ऐसे करके जो maximum amount of combination का होगा वही होगा उस region का combination. According to this region, 2 crop combination is dominant. So next is crop diversification. Actually, crop diversification is a shift of a crop or maybe cropping system to another crop or cropping system. It is shift from less profitable or less sustainable crop to more profitable and more sustainable crop. Okay. Where the number of crops are greater, their magnitude of diversion, this type of diversion actually, is also higher. It actually led to a competition among different crops. Bhatia adopted a formula for delineating crop diversification index in an area. That is percentage of net sown area by number of N crops. N crops are those crops which individually occupy 10 or more than 10% of crop to net sown area. So this is another method very important for net exam, Gibbs and Martin's method. Here is the formula 1 minus summation x square by summation x whole square, where x is equal to percentage of area under individual crop. According to this index, crop diversification varied between 0.1 to 0.9. Higher the value, higher the diversification, and vice versa. So these are the enough for this topic. Thank you staying with us. Please write your requirements to comment box. Stay home and be safe, and please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.